The following was recorded during a live Q&A session following Arnold's webinar, Optimizing Induction and Permanent Magnet Motor Design for Manufacturing. You can find the link to the full presentation, including 30 minutes of in-depth Q&A just like this, in the video description below.
What are the difficulties to achieve better dimensions of magnets, or what are the criticalities in magnet manufacturing?
Yeah, great question. In terms of, I'll answer that in two parts. So first I'll hit the difficulties to achieve better dimensions. So magnets aren't cut using traditional manufacturing processes. We cannot use, say, a CNC mill or lathe to cut magnets. They are a fully dense sintered material. So what I always tell industry partners is picture a magnet like a bathroom tile. So it's a lot stronger than a bathroom tile, obviously, but it's still, somewhat of a ceramic from that perspective. So it's brittle. So the way we machine magnets is we get them as close to near net shape as we can through pressing and sintering operations with our die presses. And then we need to machine the final dimensions onto them. And what we use is diamond abrasive tooling. So basically we're grinding, so traditional, say, surface grinders. So we can put them on a surface grinder and achieve tolerances into the 10,000ths of an inch. And then what the industry typically uses is what's called an ID slicing machine. It's it's a circle blade, and it's only about 17 to 25 thousandths of an inch thick, and that's going to kind of cut through the magnet material like a loaf of bread is the best way I can describe that. And that's how we cut magnet blocks down to smaller magnets. And then when you need shapes, maybe you need a bread loaf magnet, an arc magnet. Those are applied using creep feed form grinding. So we'll just basically feed the magnet. Say we feed a rectangle underneath a shaped form wheel, a diamond form wheel. And then your magnet will take the shape of that wheel. Lastly is EDM processing. So EDMs are great for cutting magnets. It's obviously an expensive process in EDM, so we're not using it for high volume production, but it's a great way to cut magnets in a lower or more unique volume setting. So those are really the couple ways we cut. Dimensions, again, they can be down to 2/10,000ths of an inch, as tight as we can get with magnet dimensions. And then criticalities in magnet manufacturing is it speeds and feeds, and you're dealing with, again, a brittle material, so you just need to be careful during those operations.